Hello everyone, welcome back to online math. Okay, so we're going to be solving this problem right here, and of course we are going to be looking for the value of x that actually satisfy this problem. Okay, so let me just begin by writing solution. Of course, if you are new to our channel, do to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification icon so that if we release new content you will actually get to know about it. Okay, and of course, if you're watching us on Facebook, do well to follow us right there. And having done that, we're going to proceed right with this video. And of course, make sure you share this video to your friends so that they will also get to enjoy it. Okay, so let me write this 6 x power 1 over 2 minus x power 1 over 2 is equal to 5. So what I'm going to do is I am going to rewrite this using the rule of indices. So I can actually write this as 6 multiplied by 1 over x power 1 over 2, and then minus x power 1 over 2 is equal to 5. Okay, so I can go ahead to set my x power 1 over 2 to be equal to, let's say, b, and this is actually going to reduce some of the variables I have, and then I can be able to solve it easier. So I'm going to be having 6 multiplied by 1 over b, okay, minus b is equal to 5. So I will just multiply through by b so that I can be able to eliminate this fraction right. And of course, if I do that, I'm going to be having this one multiplied by b, this one multiplied by b, and of course this one also multiplied by b, so that I have that this is actually going to cancel this, and then I have 6 over here minus b squared, okay, is equal to 5b. Okay, so I'm going to bring this 5b on the to the left hand side, and if I do that, what I'll be having is 6 minus b squared, and then minus 5b is equal to 0. So I can multiply through by minus so that I will have this b squared as positive, and if I do that, I'm going to be having a b squared plus 5b, and then minus 6 is equal to 0. So you can clearly see now that it's a quadratic equation, and I'm just going to factorize. Okay, so the two numbers that when I multiply them, it gives me negative 6, and then when I sum them, it gives me positive 5. I just 6 and then negative 1. So what I would write is b plus 6, okay, and then b minus 1 is equal to 0. Of course, when you open these brackets, you're going to be having this. Okay, so using the 0 product rule, you can see that b plus 6 is equal to 0, or b minus 1 is also equal to 0, so that I now have that from here. It's implied that b is equal to minus 6, or that b is equal to 1. Okay, so moving on, but we actually set our b to equal to x power 1 over 2. So for b equals, okay, let's check this, minus 6. You can see that x power 1 over 2 is equal to minus 6. Okay, of course, you know that x power 1 over 2 is actually square root of x is equal to minus 6. Of course, you know that this cannot work because there's no single value of x that when you take the square root, it's actually going to give you negative 6. So this cannot be a solution to this equation. And so we check the second one. So this one cannot be a solution, not a solution. Okay, and then I can check the second one for p equal to 1, so that now I have that x power 1 over 2 is equal to 1. Okay, and of course, if you take the square for both sides, you're going to be having that x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is actually the only solution that satisfies this equation you are seeing over here. And of course, if you come over here to put x equal to 1, you will also see that it's satisfied, because once you put it right here, this part turns to 6, and when you put it here, this one turns to 1, and then 6 minus 1 will give you equal to 5. So that is how you're actually going to be solving this kind of problem. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you turn on the notification icon, and of course subscribe to our channel for more updates. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.